I'll be showing you guys how to make a 3D hexagon. So you can use any block you want. So these are gonna be your settings. To make your settings, you go to the hammer tool, and you press plus sign on the right side of the magnifying glass. Okay, so you do that. So yeah, I'm gonna use gold because it's very strong. So anchor block on or off, I'd rather put it on because so nothing gets messed up. And then movement will be 0.5, rotate 45, and then scale would be 0. Okay, so step 1, you place a block, and then now after that you rotate it once, and then do that, and then wait, what? Alright. I'm gonna paint it black every time, so it's not too shiny. Okay. And then wait, I'm just gonna do this. How did I do this before? Oh yeah, let's see. Gotta start over here at the other side. Okay. And if you didn't know that you have to keep clicking the paint button, you can just drag your mouse on it. So it's a shortcut. If you guys didn't know, so you can just do this. Yeah. Okay. So you should have this done, like a hexagon shape. So now step 2, you do the same thing except you rotate twice, and then you tilt. Keep tilting and tilting. And do the same for the other side. There we go. Now you should have like diamond-ish shape, and yeah. Now the second step is the third step is you're gonna fill this part up. So you're gonna rotate once and then fill that up, and then same for this one. Very nice. And so far the hexagon in quotes should look like this. Okay, now step 4, you rotate once and then rotate 3 times and then tilt. Do the same for this side too. And also make sure you do the bottom, yes, do the bottom, because that's important. So yeah, make sure you do that. Alrighty. Now paint this. Okay, now you do it for this side too. Rotate once, tilt. And then over here. And over here. And there you go. Now the last and final step is to scale everything inside. So doing that. And I think it really looks cool. Yeah, it looks cool. Look, it already looks like a hexagon. Yeah, so cool. Okay, just throw these things in. And don't worry about those because you'll see that what it turns out in the end. Okay. Oops. I accidentally just clicked on it. I have to drag it. Almost done. And last one. And there you have your hexagon. So it's not 100% a hexagon. There's like some things sticking out, but other than that, I think it looks really cool. So yeah. Let me know if you have other strategies to make a hexagon in the comments. So I hope you like and subscribe. Make sure you well, if you want, you can make this hexagon too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.